down at the allotment today, and let's get that platform for the ICB sorted, eh? Okay, so I'll be honest, I started digging before I hit record because I just got so excited. But I'll show you where we're at. I will show you what we're doing and then we'll go from there. Okay, so this is what we've got done so far, nothing special. What we've done is I want to flatten this all out, and I'm mindful of the fact that if we whack that on there when it gets full, that's going to have like 1,000 kilos of water in it. And this is just stone and soil and everything like that, so it's going to move around and flop about, and I don't want that. So the idea being, what we're doing is we're just digging a little trench out of both sides of here, so we'll make like a 90. I've got all these offcuts kicking around of like bits and pieces of fence posts that have been cut off of old jobs, and they've just sat around in my workshop. So what we're going to do is we're going to lay them out sort of like a sleeper wall type thing, like a retaining wall. That's what we're doing. We're doing a retaining wall because we're super special. And then so we're going to lay all these out as best we can, pop them on top, make sure all the joints are covered. And then I have some of these are 6x180 turbo gold screws that we're just going to drive down into all of them, level it all out, sit a pallet on top, and then hopefully that'll work. If for whatever reason it does start to slop off, I think the important thing is to make sure everything's as square as it can be, and that way I can keep an eye on it. And then if anything does start to slop off, then what we can do is I'll just like drive some stakes along this front row, oh, the sunshine, and on the back row here, and hopefully that will stop it from moving around.
When your life's been put on hold for far too long, when the sorrow and despair is growing strong, there is always something good to be obtained from breaking loose and leave the things that kept you chained. So when you find the strength to really shed your skin, all you really need to do is search within.
So here we go, look. Nothing super duper, nothing amazing, nothing like mad difficult nobody else can do. It's just nice and simple. We'll drive those screws in, backfill around this edge, tamp all that down. Then we're going to dig this section out, make a nice square here, so that when the pallet goes on and the ICB's up there, we've got enough room to get underneath with the watering can. So yeah, nice and simple, eh? There we go, look, all sorted, done and dusted, nice and level. So we'll backfill it, pop the pallet on, maybe screw that one down, and job's good un. looking nice and clean in there, isn't it? I think there's a couple snails that have gone for a swim. That's all good though. I think it's going to work. Move around. There we go, look. Super simple, super quick. Nice and easy. We did pop an extra brace in there and another one there just to stop the 90 opening up. But yeah, you can see it's about 6 inches, 150mm from the spout down. So even if we get a bigger can, we're laughing. Spout works and everything's good. So that's another job done. Another little step closer to having the allotment sorted. We do have... I've got this here, so... fit on. That's it, pop screw in it. Jobs are good, and eh? Ah, and look, before I go, I'll show you the guttering. So what we ended up doing was pop in a little screw in just so I can set the height and set the fall on it. So we've gone 1/4 of a bubble all the way along, and then just pop some little brackets in at each end just to support it and stop it dropping. But yeah, that's another job done, another little step closer to getting the allotment sorted. So I hope you enjoyed the video. You'll have a great day, take it easy. Let me know below if you'd have done everything different, or if you think it's going to fail. It's not, but by all means you can tell me you think it is. Alright, you have a great day, you take it easy, you have fun.
This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife.